Today I'm going to show you a few tips to fix invisible WhatsApp notifications in HUAWEI MatePad T5. So if you don't see your WhatsApp alerts, at the start always check your DND mode. So open the top menu, expand the icons and look for the DND mode icon. If you don't see it, click on the pen icon and check it here. Now make sure that you have this icon, this feature deactivated, like here. Little obvious, I know, but sometimes you can miss it, just make a misclick, so just check it. In the next step, hold the finger on the, oh sorry, not on this device, we have to open the settings. Then go to the apps and notifications and choose the apps. Now swipe down to the WhatsApp. Here you have to open the permissions and check that you have activated the SMS, storage and phone. After that, go to the data usage and make sure that you have activated mobile data here and here. In the next step, you can also try to clear your WhatsApp app, so you have to open the storage. At the start, try to clear only cache files. If you still don't have your WhatsApp notifications, tap on the clear data, which is okay. After that, you have to log in again to the WhatsApp account and check your alerts. But if it still doesn't work, go to the system, in the settings, choose the reset and tap on the network settings. Tap on the network settings, reset and tap on this button again. And in the last tip, try to update your system. So go to system update. If you have any updates, just install it and check your notifications. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.